Thanks. 7 News Update. The trial of a man accused of killing a woman in Greer is underway in Greenville County. This is a trial that was supposed to start last month. They had to put it on hold because not enough people showed up for jury duty. Kelsey O'Donnell was in the courtroom as that finally began today.
The trial for Zachary Hughes will start this week, nearly a month after it was scheduled to do so. We were inside the courtroom today, and we'll show you exactly what we were seeing and hearing there today. Now, Hughes, a renowned pianist with ties to the prestigious Juilliard School, will face a jury this week for the stabbing death of Christina Parcell on Canebrake Drive back in 2021. 12 jurors were seated, and 4 alternates were chosen just before 4 this afternoon. Shortly after pretrial motions began to determine what will be allowed to be heard during that trial. And the main focus was on Christina Parcell's fiance, Bradley Post, what information can be shared and if he can be cross-examined. Now, according to the sheriff's office, Post was the man who found Parcell after her death, and an investigation later unveiled child pornography charges that were brought against him. It's a case where Parcell was also named. However, Post nor Parcell have been convicted of those crimes. The defense is arguing it's all important information that is relevant to this case, while the state says it does not have any relevance to whether or not Zachary Hughes is the man who killed Christina Parcell.
Well, I think the law in South Carolina is crystal clear that when a state's witness is cross-examined and he has pending charges, he can be asked about what those charges are and what the penalties are.
What is on Brad Post's phone has nothing to do with this case, and they still can't establish a nexus to it. They can't establish any relevance to any of that. And until they can do that, there's no reason this jury needs to hear anything about what's going on with Brad Post and his separate crime. Because, Your Honor, whether they like it or not, Brad Post is not on trial here.
Now, we are expected to learn what the judge will allow during this trial tomorrow morning, starting at 9 a.m. Shortly after, opening statements will begin, and that trial will be underway. We are expecting it to last up to 2 weeks, possibly longer, here at the Greenville County Courthouse. Reporting in Greenville County, Kelsey O'Donnell, 7 News.
Of course, we'll continue to be in the courtroom all week to have the latest updates on that case.